In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Canada to Greece on Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account and make sure you're signed in properly before moving on. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country shown at the top of the app or website. This is important because Remitly needs to know where the money is being sent. Click on that country selection area and choose Greece as the destination. Taking a moment to confirm the correct country helps avoid delays or mistakes later in the process. After that, click Send Money to begin your transfer. This will take you to the setup page where you can choose who you're sending funds to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, you can simply click their contact and continue. That's the fastest option if you've sent money to them before. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact. Then select their country, which in this case should be Greece. Make sure this is entered correctly, because recipient details must match the destination country and the delivery method you choose. This step is especially important for keeping the transfer smooth and making sure the money reaches the right person. Next, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any applicable fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This is helpful because you can review the full cost before moving forward. If needed, double-check the amount so you're comfortable with both the sending total and the payout amount in Greece. Once the amount is entered, select the delivery method. Depending on what's available, this could affect how quickly the money arrives and how the recipient gets access to it. Choose the option that best fits your needs and the recipient's situation. After that, select your payment method. This is how you'll fund the transfer, so choose the option you prefer and then click Continue. On the next screen, enter the recipient's account details carefully and follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the transfer. Take your time here, because accurate account information is essential for a successful delivery. Before submitting everything, it's always a good idea to review the details one final time, including the recipient, amount, delivery method, and payment method. Once everything looks correct, continue through the final prompts and confirm your transfer. And that's how to send money from Canada to Greece on Remitly.